Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you a unique AI template which is used to solve all your research questions, all your doubts, and it will give perfect answer for all your research questions. Thereby, you can ask any questions you want related with your research paper writing or research questions or any technical ideas. It will help you to resolve the problems. What you have to do is just use that respective content which you need to analyze, and you can get perfect explanation or perfect that is inference from that respective content. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template and how you can use that AI templates for your research paper writing. So further, first go to lmssolution.net.in. So in this you will be having an option called LMS AI. Just click on this LMS. So it will lead to a LMS AI templates. So these are the different kinds of LMS templates especially designed for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you a template called Chat with Paper. So you can just click on this option called Chat with Paper. So this is the dashboard of this Chat with Paper. So please add paper text and ask questions. So here, for example, so if you are studying any reference paper, so if you have some doubts related with that respective reference paper, so if you can't find the perfect niche or perfect solution for that respective paper, you can copy and paste the respective content which is to be analyzed, which is the part you are having more research question on. So you can copy and paste the content. For example, so I am going to use this one for this section. Third section, I am having some doubts in this third section. You can copy this section alone. You can copy this and you can paste the content here and you can ask question. For example, explain the inference from the content. Like that you can chat, or if you're having any questions related with the with your research paper, so you can ask any questions you want that also. So it will analyze the respective content and it will generate answer for you. So here comes the content: data description and pre-processing, statistical data pre-processing, mathematical model parameter selection, so clustering, model performance. So like that it will give explanation. If you want to ask another question from the same content, how data pre-processing was done, what is the method involved, so like that you can give questions and you can click on the option called chat. So automatically the how the data pre-processing has been done. First, data description and initial selection. From that, first it will select initial data selection, data segmentation, and then data pre-processing. In this data pre-processing, it will provide the first step is normalization and the evaluation of metrics. These are the performance metrics which need to be calculated, and then it will give model parameter selection. So this is how the pre-processing process has been done. So you can analyze and you can get a better idea about how the pre-processing, the particular section of your research paper has been done. So if you want to struggle to find any tables also, you can copy and paste the table as we have already done. So for example, so if you have some research methods, what are the research methods used? So these are some of the research methods, possible research methods used. Here you can copy this respective content, go to that template, paste the content. This you can ask, what are the other methods can be used? There are some methods has been given. So if you want to proceed this work even further, so future developments of the respective paper, so you can ask like this. So automatically it will analyze that respective content and it will generate perfect answer for you. So here comes the suggestions. You can use support vector machine, extreme learning methods, radial based neural networks, wavelet neural networks, particles from optimization, Firefly algorithm. So you can take any one of this and you can go for this research to proceed further. So this is how the template works. So it will help you to restart your PhD. So if you are struggling with any questions, that is any you can't able to find any research question answers, so you can use this kind of template. You can copy and paste the content in your reference papers and you can ask any questions to proceed your research further. This will help you to make your research progress even better. Go on and explore this chat with paper. Copy and paste any content you want and you can ask any questions you want. It will give perfect answer for you and also the future ideas for your research also. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so you can just click on plans and pricing at just 199. So you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month and you can get 1 plagiarism plus 1 AI report per plan, and you can get one unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 month, and you can get 1 plagiarism and AA report. So next is the best value pack is 999. So you can access all our LMS AA tool for 1 year and you can get 12 plagiarism plus AA report per plan. Go on and explore this LMS AA tools and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.